Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford Ranger XLT. Coming in this nice Azure gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Sport Appearance Package, the Convenience Package, the Advanced Towing Package, and the Trailer Tow Package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera, got mud flaps on the rear and front with gripped running boards on either side, blind spot detection, and moving to the front, we do get a remote start with this vehicle, as well as that license plate bracket, the block heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray and black cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpeted interior. We got some storage with USB, USB-C, and 120 volt, and if you don't need that middle person, you do get cup holders and arm space. We do get this cool under-seat storage as well, so we flip this up, and we do get quite a bit of storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a manual driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, lights, hood, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 32 kilometers. We got this nice leather-up steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media. We got our volume, voice, and cruise control. And looking here, we got our My View, trip and fuel, off-road, towing, audio, phone, navigation, settings, and vehicle maintenance. To my right here, we got our gear select, parking brake, auto stop, auto start with traction, tow and haul mode with drive modes, and four-wheel drive, cup holders and storage, wireless charging, some outlets. We do get your center console as well with tons of more storage with a 12 volt down there. Taking a look over here though, we get our trailer brake, we got storage below and above. We do get our infotainment system with your basic climate controls at the bottom with your hazards. We got audio with AM, FM, and Sirius XM. We do get your phone controls right here as well. Your navigation, pretty easy to use. You can zoom in and out, search up. We do get your audio right here as well with your tow and haul. Pretty easy to use as well. You got your vehicle settings right here as well too. Calm screen, auto hold, phone, general, valet mode, and your nice backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE60216, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.